How to unfollow someone on TikTok. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can unfollow someone on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to basically unfollow someone on TikTok, open up the TikTok app and you will see this type of interface. And if you happen to follow someone right over here, you can simply come to your profile page, and from here you can go to your following tab, where you'll be able to see the list of people that you follow, where you can simply tap on this following option to go ahead and then unfollow them if you want to. And this way you'll be able to unfollow someone on TikTok. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.